Hey traders, in this lesson we're going to cover the differences between fundamental analysis and technical analysis, as well as how you can use them both in your trading. First off, we will start with some basic definitions. Fundamental analysis refers to analyzing a financial instrument utilizing news stories, earnings, economic events, and any other similar source of information. This information is generally public information and easily accessed. Traders who trade strictly based on fundamental analysis rely on speedy and reliable news platforms to deliver this type of information to them so they can place their trades accordingly. An example of such a news platform would be briefing.com. Technical analysis refers to analyzing a financial instrument utilizing market data, market indicators, and charts. However, not all traders rely on all of these tools for technical analysis. Technical analysis typically utilizes different chart patterns, chart setups, and price movement to derive good entry and exit points. As a general rule of thumb, investors or long-term traders focus more on fundamental analysis, while shorter-term traders focus more on technical analysis. This is because company fundamentals are not always portrayed in the day-to-day price movement. However, technical setups exist every day. Personally, Shute and I rely on a form of technical analysis, but not conventional technical analysis. We focus strictly on price and volume to give indications of where we want to enter our trades. Conventional technical analysis does not rely on these two things as heavily as we do, but rather relies more on indicators, and in a previous lesson we covered why we personally do not utilize these indicators in our trading. Another thing to keep in mind when trading in the short term is that it can be extremely difficult to trade strictly on fundamental analysis without any form of technical analysis. For example, if we were trading Apple at $100 per share and they have an earnings release tomorrow which ends up beating the street expectations, more often than not, the price reacts in a negative manner, which is referred to as buy the rumor or sell the news. Because of this, we personally do not rely on fundamental analysis or try to trade the news, but rather we are strictly mindful of when these news events are going to occur, and we keep an eye out for changes in price or volume that may signal that some sort of fundamental news is going to briefly overpower the technicals of that particular stock. With that being said, there are volumes of different aspects of technical and fundamental analysis, but this was a brief overview of the main differences between the two of them, as well as how we utilize them in our trading. For our next lesson, we're going to cover technical analysis on different time frames, such as the 1 minute, 5 minute, and daily chart. Until then, good luck with your trading.